In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Basecamp. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to gather input from your team using Basecamp's automatic check-ins. This is perfect for quick decisions like meeting dates, priority choices, or a simple thumbs up on a plan. First, log into Basecamp and head to the project where you want to run your poll. Keeping polls inside the relevant project helps everyone see the context and keeps responses organized alongside the work they relate to. On your project's home screen, look for the automatic check-ins card and click it. Automatic check-ins are Basecamp's built-in way to ask recurring questions and collect answers in one tidy place. They're lightweight, easy to set up, and ideal for short, focused polls. Next, click Set up an automatic check-in. In the question field, type your poll prompt. Make it clear and actionable, like which date works for the meeting. If you want more structure, include options right in the question, for example. Which date works for the meeting? Tuesday at 10 a.m., Wednesday at 2 p.m., or Thursday at 9 a.m. Reply with your pick. Clear wording helps your team respond quickly and keeps results easy to interpret. Choose who you want to ask. You can target the entire team or just the people who need to weigh in. Inviting only the relevant folks reduces noise and increases response rates, especially for time-sensitive polls. Set the frequency and time. If this is a one-off decision, schedule it once at a time when people are likely to respond. If it's a recurring poll, like a weekly vote on a stand-up time, pick the day and time that fits your team's rhythm. Consider time zones so responses aren't delayed. Scheduling during normal working hours usually gets faster replies. Once your question, audience, and schedule look right, confirm the setup. Basecamp will handle the rest. Team members will see the prompt in their Basecamp interface and can reply directly. You don't need to chase people in separate threads, which keeps everything neatly in one place. As answers come in, review them within the same check-in. Basecamp compiles responses so you can quickly scan for patterns, tally choices, and make a call. If you included clear options in your question, it's easy to count the votes. You can revisit this check-in anytime to reference the results or keep the conversation focused. That's it. Log in, open your project, find automatic check-ins, set up your question, choose who to ask, pick the frequency and time, and then review the compiled answers. With this workflow, you'll run quick, effective polls without the back and forth.